Shalom everyone, at once again, guys, for today's vlog, request po ito ni Miss Rosario Lynn Nieto. At ang request niya ay ang conjugation ng infinitive to smell. Ayan po ang message niya. Infinitive to smell, in Hebrew, lihareyach. Present tense, smell, for masculine singular, mereyach. Ani, mereyach. Ata, mereyach. Hu, mereyach. Present tense, smell, for feminine singular, merecha. Ani, merecha. At, merecha. Hi, merecha. Present tense, smell, for masculine plural or mixed gender, merechim. Anachnu, merechim. Atem, merechim. Hem, merechim. Present tense, smell, for feminine plural, merechut. Anachnu, merechut. Aten, merechut. Hen, merechut. Okay, now, pag-aralan naman natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag past tense according to the gender. For past tense, smelled. Herachti. Herachta. Heracht. Hereyach. Herekha. Herachnu. Herachtem. Herachten. Herechu. Herechu. Okay guys, now for future tense, will smell. Ani, areyach. Ata, tareyach. At, tarikhi. Hu, yareyach. Hi, tareyach. Anachnu, nareyach. Atem, tarichu. Aten, tarachna. Hem, yarechu. Hen, tarachna. Okay guys, ito naman ang imperative or ang command. Imperative, smell, for masculine singular, hareyach. Imperative, smell, for feminine singular, harikhi. Imperative, smell, for masculine plural, harichu. Imperative, smell, for feminine plural, harachna. Okay guys, dito po natatapos ang vlog na ito. At pasensya na kayo, hindi po ako perfect magsalita ng letter K. At talaga pong napakahirap bigkasin ng letter na yan. At kung meron po kayong request na gusto nyong pag-aralan natin, comment lang po. At pwede rin po kayong mag-message sa group chat. At sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe na and don't forget to like, share, comment, at huwag rin pong kalilimutan ang icon bell para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Guys, amo naman to dali Kulkim. See you on my next vlog. Lihit raot!